Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. Are you planning to migrate from Office 365 to a live Exchange server with ease? EdbMails Office 365 migration software provides a robust and user-friendly solution that guarantees a seamless migration operation, ensuring compatibility with all Exchange server versions including Exchange 2007, 2010, 2013, and 2019. EdbMails boosts migration efficiency with concurrent mailbox transfers and incremental migration to avoid duplicates. It automates mailbox mapping and manages Exchange throttling for a smooth migration. Let's explore the migration steps. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Office 365 migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Connect to your Office 365 source server. Select the required migration operation. Click Continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-in page. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Office 365 server. Now, click Migrate to Live Exchange button to connect with your target Exchange server. Select the Target Connection option. Click Next. Connect to target Exchange server. Select Exchange server version. Click Login. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free Office 365 to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.